Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about application date of IIT Bombay and number of seats for December session of IIT Bombay and interview dates of IIT Bombay for spring semester, for winter season, for December January session 2021-22 session. So guys, please watch this video till the end. And one more important information I want to share with you, that is last date of IIT Bombay is tomorrow, that is 20 October, and today is 19th October. So you have 2 days, today and next day. So please apply. Okay. So let's start. And one more important information that is I want to share with you. I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. Okay. So the students who have different problems regarding your application form, for an example, that is rectification, last date for the rectification of the application form, okay, 1st November. Okay, you can open your browser for Gate 2022. Please check your application. Is there any defects or any parts that you want to rectify? Okay, so you have the time till 1st November. Okay, last date, I think you are able to see my this point. Okay, this point, last date for the rectification of application 1st November 2021. So I think, and look, some important information that you may change up to 12th November, last date for change of paper, category and exam, but you have to pay for that additional fee. Last date for change of paper, category, exam, city with additional fee. So these 2 points I wanted to share with you. So please remember these 2 points, that is rectification of the application. You suppose you have put any wrong data, wrong image, wrong information, so you can rectify that, you can change that information. And suppose you want to change your category, exam center, paper, so all these you will be able to do that up to like for rectification it is up to 1st November, and you will be able to change paper, category, exam up to like 12th November. Okay, so now I want to share with you some very good information. Look, this is the uh, uh, calendar, okay, tentative schedule of IIT Bombay. Okay, IIT Bombay. So look, spring semester, I am talking about spring semester, that is December January session. And application date was published on 3rd September 2021, and last date of application, that is, look, 20 October. So last date for department to send the list of candidates for written test and interview, and you will get that 27th October, and display the list of candidates for intern test or interview, that is like 2nd November. Okay, 2nd November. So think about it, now 2nd November. And these are the some important dates of different departments. Okay, for aerospace engineering department, interview will be conducted on 2nd and 3rd December. Okay, so bioscience bioengineering 2nd, 3rd, and 4th December. So thus you can see all this chemistry department, chemical engineering department, civil engineering department, and so on. And look, this there is no dates. It means that this department will not take student for this spring semester, no admissions for spring semester. So it is clearly mentioned. And look, education technology, this department also will not take student for this semester. And the I want to share with you, look, management department also will not take the spring semester. So I want to tell you that, look, public policy department will not take student for this semester. So these are very, very important information, very, very important information. Okay, so look, just I want to share with you one more important information, that is, look, payment. You have to pay like before 27th December for final for confirmation. And orientation and registration program will be start on like 4th and 5th January. And the information, this, look, humanities and social science department, humanities and social science department, humanities and social science, 7th, 8th, 9th December. Okay, so it is a very, very good time for you that you should apply for this department, humanities and social sciences. Okay, so all this information I wanted to share with you. And the most important thing, this department will not take student, management department will not take student, public policy, education technology, public policy, education technology, this all this department. Okay, and look, this design department, the students who are from design domain. Okay, so I think all this information, look, public policy, there was a good opportunity for you guys, but this time they will not take student for this. So I think this information will help you a lot. Okay, and one more important thing, just the most important thing in interview in IIT, I had given many interviews, I had visited many IITs for my interview. So one thing I want to tell you, that is like, prepare very well, give your best for the preparation, a good SOP. You have to make a good SOP, statement of purpose. For some IIT, you have to make good SOR, statement of research proposal. Okay, so these two things you have to prepare very well. And the most important question in IIT, in during your interview, you can get that question, tell us 2 or 3 areas that you are interested in. Okay, so you have to tell 2 or 3 subjects or 3 areas that you have very good interest, that you have good or sound knowledge in those areas, because they will ask question, most of the question from your area of interest. Okay, don't be smart during the interview. The interviewer, they are very, very, very talented. They know everything. So please prepare for these 2 things. First thing is SOR or SOP, and second thing is read very well those areas that you want to research in future. You will research in future. Okay, so these 2 things will give you the confidence during your interview. And I can say that you may crack this December season interview. Okay, so prepare very well, give your best. Okay, so that's all from my side today. Thank you, all the best. Jai Hind.